What's up, everybody? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Love, KetoSavage.com.
And today we're making some more meat stuff. That's what we do. So we're gonna make chicken fried steak, kind of going back to my country roots on this one. We're gonna use 8 ounces of ribeye. Generally, this is made with cube steak, but I don't buy cube steak. I buy ribeye, so I'm gonna try and make it with ribeye. We got 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup almond flour, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, and we're gonna fry this in avocado oil. And I'm gonna have more than 2 tablespoons in there, but I'm not gonna eat all of it, so I'm just gonna count it as 2 tablespoons of avocado oil that I'll actually be consuming. And these ingredients yield these macros.
1,206 calories, 108 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, 3 of which are coming from fiber, and then 62 grams of protein, which breaks down to 78.4% fat, 1.6% carbs, and 2% protein. 20% protein.
20% protein. We're still working on math, you know, we're getting there. Next week we're gonna go to algebra. This past week was all addition.
He thinks it's funny.
I am funny. All right, let's make this thing. Oh, real quick, I'm also kind of playing with the lighting, so if this lighting sucks, or if this 4K sucks, let me know. Alright, y'all, so this is actually avocado oil, not olive oil. We reuse our oil if you fry in it because, I mean, it's still good for frying in. So, I'm basically going to just pour this in the cast iron skillet and heat it up. It's on like a high heat right now. And I'm pretty much just going to put enough in there to, I don't know, probably about a 1/4 inch or so. And I'll just keep reusing that grease. Alright, y'all, so like I said earlier, normally this is made with cube steak. Don't have cube steak, we're using ribeye. You can either get a fork or like a meat tenderizer and just tenderize this beast so that the ingredients are able to absorb into it more. And that's what I'm doing now.
So in this bowl I have 1 egg, and then I'm going to mix my heavy cream in there as well, and just mix those two together. Alright, at this point, you can go ahead and salt and pepper or season whatever you want your steak seasoned in right now. So after you season that, go ahead and sprinkle some of your almond flour on top of it, probably about halfway, and then we're going to stick it in the egg and then actually put more almond flour on the outside.
Alright, y'all, so right now it is ready to go in the skillet. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the Slap Yo Mama on there. We've talked about this in the other videos, but this is really good stuff. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that on there for a little bit more kick. And then in the skillet we go. Alright, y'all, so it's gonna be about 2 to 3 minutes per side here, so let's go ahead and flip it over. Alrighty, y'all, chicken fried steak is done. Not gonna lie, this is the first time I've had chicken fried ribeye steak, so we'll see how it tastes.
It's gonna be good. I hope you guys all know that I'm the one that thought of this recipe and I don't even get to eat it, which is really upsetting.
That is so freaking good. And if you've seen a couple of our other recipes, we've made a gravy, a keto gravy.
Yeah, that'd be so
That would be really bomb on here too.
it's the pork casserole.
There's 2. I think I put it on 2. But yeah, the pork casserole for sure.
Gravy pork casserole.
And then something else had it on there. But I'm about to chow down while this is still hot. I'll catch y'all later.